Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. Today I want to show you guys my improved slime making skills. If you guys have watched previous videos on making my previous videos on making my own slime, they were epic fails. So I have figured out a great way to make a 2-ingredient slime using PVA glue and borax. Don't be fooled by this Pepsi Max container or this bottle. This is full of borax and I do keep this in a very safe place. So I'm going to show you guys how I made this super fun, super stretchy slime out of just 2 ingredients. So let's go ahead and start. First thing we need is this PVA glue. We're just going to take the lid off and squirt some of our glue in. I think that is probably all that we need. Because what we're going to try and do at the end of this slime making video is make our own fun little palette. So there's my PVA glue. I'm just going to be, hopefully, careful with the amount of borax I put in. And we'll put it in a little bit at a time. I'm going to take my wooden spoon and just mix that all in, and you can already see we're starting to get slime, which is awesome. Guys, I think the mistake that I did before was I followed a slime making recipe online and it said to add quite a substantial amount of water, which I did. I followed the instructions quite well, just a little bit more borax. And I think the water made it go exceptionally runny. I did get some sort of slime consistency, but it wasn't great at all. So I was playing around today and found this. Was just experimenting really, and found that just by adding 2 ingredients I can make some pretty decent slime. So we're getting a slime consistency. I still think we need some borax. We'll just maybe give this borax a bit of a shake, because I did notice that my borax has gone cloudy. I don't know if that will affect it, but it didn't seem to on the first batch that I made. I'm just trying to be a little bit liberal with what I add in borax wise. And you can see we're getting slime. So let's keep on mixing. This is going to be going with my hands very soon, which is the messy job. Let me just get in there. We'll take the rest of the PVA glue and go in with our hands and just mash this all together. You can see that most of it is coming away from the bottom of the mixing container, which is amazing. So this is great for me because this is actually so much better than any slime that I've made before. I don't think this slime needs any more borax. It just needs to be kneaded because it is coming away relatively cleanly from my hands. This is so much better slime than I have ever made to date. We'll just keep mixing. Get some air in there, but this is pretty decent slime. Well, you guys might be able to make slime better than me, but I'm just really happy that I've got a better consistency than I got before. My last slime literally poured out like water. Oh my God, a little rippy, but definitely better than I've ever made. So I'm super happy with this slime. It's not too far away from the slime batch I made earlier, but we're going to just mix that in. So I'm really happy with this 2-ingredient slime. I mean, I'm getting a really decent stretch and it dribbles. It has awesome bubble pops. Oh my gosh, guys, there is my fun 2-ingredient slime. Look at how stretchy that is super clear, well, super shiny 2-ingredient slime. So what we're going to do with this slime is try and make a fun, I'll maybe use this so you guys can see, a fun palette. Just by putting a few different add-ons in. So the first thing we'll do is we'll take a bit of our slime and we will measure what we need for our little palette. Guys, just remember when you add add-ins, especially foam beads, you need to take a bit of the slime away just to compensate for your foam beads. I think that's pretty good. And for this one, let's go ahead and use some purple foam. Hopefully there is enough stickiness in our slime to incorporate our beads. Look how pretty. And I love this color against the white. You can really see it. This is so pretty. This is just pretty. I am so happy with the consistency and the texture and the look of my slime. Look at the stretch, bubble pops, totally amazing. So this is our first little add-in, and what we will do is take some of our, we got a ton of beads, and just decorate the top to make it look pretty. We'll take the rest of those off if they come off. Maybe putting my hands inside the foam beads wasn't my finest idea. Let's try and get these off. That is our purple. We have a rogue little foam bead. So that is our first one. Let's measure out our second one, which is pretty perfect. And let's put in, move our giant ball of slime right here. Let's add some colored beads. These will be so pretty. Let's take just a little bit more of the slime. Some of these, my hands are super full of slime, and we'll add maybe a few of these little foam beads in. These will be so nice against the white. Let's pop them right in a bag. I'm just going to pull you back so you can see. These are quite vibrant. We'll keep some of these back so we can decorate the top. You get a gorgeous vibrant color against the white, and we'll just blend them in. There's just enough stickiness in this slime to incorporate these beads, as long as you don't overdo it and put too many, because we don't want a ton of fallout. Look how pretty this slime is. We've got a bit of crunchy texture. This is adorable. It almost looks like frosting on the top of a cupcake, but loving that. We'll pop that into the other side, and we'll maybe put a few beads on top to decorate, just maybe in the center or all over. And that looks super adorable. And just pop these back in the container. And we'll just maybe move a few around just so that it gives it a nicer aesthetic. Super happy. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, we have some glitter. Oh yeah, let's add glitter. Let's add our silver in with our white. So let's, red. This red will be gorgeous with the white. Let's measure out a little bit of our slime. When you're not putting in, that's probably the perfect amount of slime. When you're not putting foam beads in, it is okay to use a little bit more slime. Let's throw our glitter right in. Oh, this red is so pretty. That is so nice. Let's get that mixed right throughout our slime. Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty and so Christmassy. It is gorgeous. We're just going to get it mixed. Look at how pretty. This is so pretty. So I am so super happy with the look and feel of this slime. It is so nice. Let's pop that right in here and try not to let it bleed with our other slime. Slime palette is looking really nice. Let's go ahead and take a little bit more slime. Oh, our slime wants to come with us. And what we'll do with this slime is add some cute yellow foam beads. And we'll mix. Love the texture of this slime. It's really, really crunchy and it's just super pretty. This is so pretty. Really like the orange against the white. Maybe if we make another batch of slime in another video, we will color this slime. I didn't really have any food colorings or any paint available today because we are on lockdown. But maybe the next time when I go essential shopping, I will definitely pick up some of the colors and we can look at how we can make some colored 2-ingredient slime. So I really like that. I like how the pops of yellow are just popping through the white slime. This is super cute and adorable. Let's make the rest of our slimes. I hope I've made enough slime to fill the, let's put our lid on because I don't know about you guys, but I'm super clumsy. I hope I've made enough slime to fill this entire, maybe a bit too much, to fill this entire slime palette. But we'll just keep going and see what we can do. So let's try, hands are a little wet. Let's try some silver glitter. We'll just take, and we will, oh, this is so pretty. Maybe not too much. And we'll mix that in. I can feel the grittiness of the glitter against the smoothness of the, we'll try and get all of that glitter up, the smoothness of the slime. So this is taking on a slightly gray color. You can see the glitter. It is adorable. And I can feel a different type of texture. Adorable, pretty. I love it. Let's pop that right in here. Hopefully this fits nicely. Oh, let's just bring this over so you guys can see what I'm doing. And I'm just taking my finger and gently pressing it into the quarters. It will actually do this itself. I just like to give it a little bit of a hand. So far, so good. Loving it. Guys, I'm hoping, oh, our stick stuck. I'm hoping that I have, this is the slime that I have left. So what I'm going to do is break it into 3 different parts, and we might not have enough to fill them to the top, but that's fine. I don't mind that. Let's take our blue and pop some blue foam beads. I just have noticed that there are some purple rogue little foam beads hiding in this blue. That's okay. Let's take that one out. One little bead, and we'll pop you in there, and let's just mix this in. Oh my gosh, these colors, the foam bead colors against the white, are just super nice. We have a little tiny bit of fallout, but how pretty is that? I am so happy with my slime. Let's pop that right in here. And I think the last 2 little pieces of slime, we'll put in some more of our glitter. So what glitters do we have? We have a nice purple and a nice blue. I think they are awesome colors. Let's open the blue. And we will, oh, plastic wants to stick to my hands. Let's pop our blue. That is adorably pretty. And we'll pop just the remainder of our glitter back. And then let's do some, this is more like a pink. Maybe like a magenta. Let's mix our colors. So let's put in the purple. And we'll pop that in the bag again. And let's put in some red. I don't know if this red will, the red might actually be better with the blue. Let's put some red with the blue and we'll just keep this one this color. So let's pop these away. And we'll just like to make sure that the glitters don't spill everywhere. That kind of cleanup, oh, it's a nightmare. Let's do our beautiful purple first. Magenta, purple, pink. I'm not sure what color you call this, but let's get it mixed. This is such nice slime. I am super happy with how this slime has turned out. I love that it's got great bubble pops. Oh, that's so good. And finger pokes, amazing. Look at our gorgeous pink slime. And we are going to bubble pop it. And then we will pop that right here. I'm going to try really hard not to get that to bleed. That is so adorable. I am loving this palette. Let's do our blue and our red. Oh, these colors are so pretty. Let's get the remainder of glitter. Look at these colors though. Aren't they super pretty? I'm really loving the blue and the red together. It gives it just another little dimension. Let's stretch this out and show you guys. Super cute. And I love how the slime has taken on a little bit of a purple tinge. So that is pretty awesome. Let's maybe get the rest of our glitter from the table all incorporated, and we'll pop that right inside our slime palette. Well guys, that is my 2-ingredient slime with add-ins, and this is our final product, our slime palette. I think this, for making slime from scratch and not store-bought slime that I have previously overhauled, I think I've done pretty well. Pretty happy with myself. I think it looks adorable. It is very, very, very cute. And I think this is definitely really, really pretty. So guys, did you like this slime video? If you did, please smash that like button. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to be notified of any future videos, hit that little notification bell. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed making it for you. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Stay safe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.